Heal and repair a bulging disc. Effective non-surgical treatments and home remedies. Every time you bend, stretch, or even sit, there's a silent hero in your spine working tirelessly, your spinal discs. But when these discs bulge, it's not just a minor hiccup. It can disrupt your entire life, causing pain and limiting mobility. Before you resign yourself to the idea of surgery, take a moment to explore the world of non-surgical treatments and home remedies. In the newest article published by HealYourBulgingDisc.com, we'll unravel the mystery behind spinal discs, delve into why they sometimes bulge, and most importantly, arm you with a toolkit of effective treatments and remedies. From the science-backed benefits of physical therapy and chiropractic to the soothing power of home remedies, we're on a mission to help you reclaim a pain-free life. Visit the link in the video description to read the full article today. Let's embark on this healing journey together.